Good morning students. My name is Vikas Joshi and today I am going to teach you grammar topic and its name is preposition, because I feel that most of the students they commit mistake while making answers of the prepositions. So preposition, just try to disintegrate this word. Pre plus position. Pre means before, position means place. So preposition is a word which takes its position before a noun or a pronoun. So look at here. So what is preposition? Preposition pre plus position. Pre means before, position means place. A preposition is a word which takes its position before a noun or pronoun. So let's see where we use in or at. In we use with big cities and states, and at we use with small cities or villages. One example is done for you. Look at here. Example is I live in India at Punjab. India is bigger than Punjab, so in is used with India, at with Punjab. I live in Punjab at Jalandhar. Okay, so here Punjab is bigger than Jalandhar. Jalandhar is a city. I live in Jalandhar at Friends Colony. So here Jalandhar is bigger than Friends Colony. I live in Friends Colony at lane number 10. So in this way you have to use in or at. Again, in or at, where we use, it has a, you can say that it has a very wide function. So in we use in the morning, in we use in the afternoon, in we use in the evening, at we use at dawn. Dawn means at early in the morning. At we use at noon, at we use at night. So use of in and at. Next is third is use of on, in, at. On we use with days and dates. Okay, on Monday, on Tuesday, okay, on 15th August 1947 we got our freedom. In we use with months and years. In the month of July, in July month, in 2019, in 1947. At we use for a point of time. Okay, so in this way we have to use on, in and at. Next is the difference is between and among. So where we use between and among, between we use for two people. When the matter is discussed for two persons, we use between. For example, the division of the property took place between two brothers or two sisters, like this, and among more than two persons. So distribute these toffees among your friends, like this. Next is in, into. In shows the things at rest. Into shows the things in motion, moving inwards or inside. One example is done for you. He was sitting in the room, means that the person is taking rest in the room. The fox fell into the well, that is the motion moving inwards or inside. Okay, so in next part we will discuss the further prepositions which are left. Thank you so much.